Whiteley Corporation, a globally recognised innovator in specialty cleaning products.
Whiteley Corporation is an Australian family business. We're a team of people absolutely committed to providing excellent product service and product provision in the areas of healthcare cleaning, environmental management and floor care technologies for retail markets.
The company began as the Australian General Disinfectant Company in 1933. Since then, Whiteley Corporation has grown to become a leading manufacturer of disinfectants and detergents for both medical and industrial cleaning applications. With a long-standing reputation for manufacturing to international standards, Whiteley Corporation proudly embodies products developed through exceptionally high standards across research, product innovation and development, manufacturing, distribution and technical support. This is demonstrated through multiple awards in export of manufactured goods, product innovation and research and development.
R&D is part of our commercial DNA. We spend a lot of money on making sure that we have world-class people doing that research. We collaborate externally with several universities, both locally and overseas. We're keen to constantly be looking at what new things we can do, and that inevitably involves both pure research and applied research.
Based out of the Hunter region, Whiteley Corporation is home to two divisions. Whiteley Medical specialises in the development and supply of leading-edge products into healthcare, including infection control, gastroenterology, environmental services, central sterilising services departments, dental, aged care and hand hygiene. Whiteley Industrial focuses on market-leading products that service contract cleaning, hard floor maintenance, carpet cleaning, mining and food service and manufacturing. Whiteley Corporation's experienced staff and renowned customer service reputation has seen them solve complex challenges for customers in all fields.
And we want our customers to have their experience of our technology and our company at a global best practice level. Whether you're locally or globally available to buy our products, we look forward to serving you and working with your business to improve your interactions with our technology.